Welcome to the 8th part of our tutorial series on how to enter a closed deal. This tutorial will go over the features of the deal information form for this lease. While the lease details form encompasses the terms of the lease itself, or for sale deals, the terms of the sale, the deal information form defines the internal attributes of the deal for your firm. Many of the fields that were on the initial new closed deal modal at the start of this process are also on this form. So you have the opportunity to make corrections or additions to those attributes if you need to. Notice that the required fields are again indicated by an asterisk and are already populated. The confidential checkbox at the top of the form is the same as the one on the lease or sale details forms. Clicking on the blue Help icon will open up an explanation for the purpose of this option if you need a reminder. One of the pre-populated fields is the deal name. It's an automatic compilation of key information you have already entered for this deal, such as the property address and tenant company. If you want to change the deal name, for example, if your firm has a different naming convention for deals, click on the Maintain this deal name manually checkbox. This will unlock the field and allow you to edit it. Please note that once this option is checked, the deal name will no longer automatically update if changes are made to the deal or its associated property or contacts. Unchecking the box will cause the deal name to be repopulated with the system's standard format. The Record Settings option at the top left of the form allows you to modify system settings for this deal record. This is just one way to access those settings. You can also open this modal from the deal dashboard once you've finished creating this closed deal. Again, required fields are already populated with previously entered values. Some options, such as the Fees Locked feature, may be locked from editing or hidden, depending on your user settings. We'll talk about the Fees Locked feature in a later tutorial. In the case of comp type, this option will be locked if you don't currently have a property linked to this deal. If you need to change the comp type, click Cancel to close this modal, then go back to the Select a Property tab to finish that step first. There are a few additional fields on the Record Settings modal for various types of IDs. You also have the option of deactivating this deal if needed. Certain types of records in CoStar brokerage applications can't be permanently deleted. Deactivating those records removes them from searches, lists, and reports instead. They can be reactivated by your system administrator. Click Submit if you've made any changes to this form, or Cancel to close it without saving your changes. Populate the rest of any relevant fields on the deal information form, then click Continue.